Hey guys, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? What to do with it? Affy Elizabeth here, and I'm back again with another video. I'm not, I don't know how to say it, but I'm not like a, hey guys, type of person. So when I sound like I'm like, hey, that's something I'm working on. But welcome back to my channel. Soyez le bienvenue sur my page. Throat. Me. Affy Elizabeth channel. Okay, we're back. So welcome back to my channel. Today's video, like the title said, is shoes rotation. Is it? Yeah, shoe rotation. Sneakers. Gang. Sneaks on my feet, and they look like sneakers. Yeah, sneakers, not sneakers. Sneakers. Tennis shoes. Yeah. Baskets. Yeah. Shoe rotation. Sneakers rotation. Excuse me if I'm saying sneakers. Sneakers, well, you guys get it. It's a sneakers rotation video. I'm gonna show you guys my shoe rotation on a couple of drops that I've had, sneakers that I bought, and we're gonna talk about it, and let's just get into this video. Je dis qu'aujourd'hui je vais vous montrer mes baskets, chaussures, ce que j'ai acheté, aussi les chaussures, je sais que je suis en train de porter beaucoup. Just I'm gonna vous montrer 5 chaussures. I'm gonna show you guys 5 sneaker rotation, and let's just get into this video because the word itself is already making me mad. So let me grab my sneaks and come back. So shoes number 1, je vais vous montrer chaussures basket numéro 1. It's the Nike Air Max 270, and when I say I'm in love with these bad boys, or should I say bad girls, yeah, this is how they look like. These shoes, the shoes right here is the best, most comfortable sneaks I have in my closet. I overwore them, if you can tell. This right here retails for the good price of $150. I got this during Black Friday, and I got it for about $60 something, which is a good price. If you guys been following me for a while, you know for a fact that I've said this before. I'm trying to get my sneaker game up. I'm a heels person, and I'm like, I don't have a lot of sneakers. So when I decided to like be in my game, like focus, like Mamba mentality, RIP Kobe, when I decided to actually like get myself together, I wanted to grow that side of my closet up, and I loved these sneakers. One thing I do respect about this bad boy right here is the comfortability. Like, I can dress them up, dress them down, and it's so comfortable. Like, normally when I wear a certain type of shoes, I get uncomfortable by the heels, and like the heel starts to hurt. And this one is like you're walking on sponge, especially the lower part of this. Like, the sponge is real, and I love the color. The color is very like, I don't know, like, to me, blue is my favorite color, so it's kind of like on the navy purple side, and the pink just gives it that feminine color, and it's gray. It's I love the arts that it has right here. It's like it has like smiles, smiley faces, stars, west side always, and it's a beautiful shoe. This, I wear a youth size, so I wear boy size, so boys as in age probably like 6 to 12 or 13ish, I think. So I got this in a 6.5 in youth. I tried a 7.5. My regular size in boys is 7.5. The 7.5 was big, and I was quite shocked because that's never happened to me before. Besides buying Air Forces, that's when I have to go down, really go down. But a 7.5 for this was really big. I decided to try a 6.5, and it fit me perfect. Je dis que ces chaussures aussi c'est vraiment confortable. Je peux porter ça avec n'importe quoi. Like, I can wear this with just about anything. It looks really dope. I wore this in Atlanta, and sis was looking fly, bro. Like, I'm telling you, if you get these shoes, God's gonna bless you in many ways. I'm not saying he's not blessing you now, but I'm just saying, like, you gonna level up, sis. The Nike Air Max 270, this bad boy right here does the job. I love it. Love it. So take a look at this bad boy. Look at the sponge. Look at the size. And look at the front. So my next pair of shoes are the Dégénérés. I call them the ED. trainers. It looked like this. It reminds me of the type of shoes that you will see at H&M, only because of how it's designed. Just it looks like a nice affordable trainer that you will see at H&M. I love the bottom of the shoes. It says the word love. L-O-V-E. That's what we're here for. Love, 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 love. Yeah, it has the word love at the bottom, and I'm like, I know people can't see that, but it's like, just imagine like when you like hopping over somebody, when you do you're doing the AI, like you hop over somebody that try to make you fall, like you hop over. Just imagine, just like, love. Oh, your shoes have the word love. Oh, I saw when you hopped over me. Like, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, this pair of sneakers is very comfortable. I don't wear it often, but I do have like a couple pictures that I have wore the shoes. I think I have like a my style highlight on my Instagram where I showed off these shoes. You can wear them down, you can wear them up. One thing I do respect about these shoes is like the fact that if I wear a trouser, I think that's what you call them. If I wear slacks, I think that's what you call them too. If I wear sweatpants, jeans, if I wear like a matching suit and I just want to like look put together outside of like my actual Nikes and Air Max and stuff, this would do the job. So this pair of shoes right here, this sneaker right here, retails on her website, Ellen DeGeneres website, for a good price of $98. But you can find them in like Burlington for probably like $30-some. I mean, this, luckily for me, I found this at a good spot. Okay, I found this at a good spot. I actually thrifted these shoes. They were brand new. It didn't look like anyone wore them. They probably didn't know how to wear them, but thank God that they sent it to a thrift store for a girl like me to find. There's some good shoes. I can dress them down, I can dress them up, I can look good, and I can still feel like I'm conquering the world with these. There's some nice sneakers. I wanted something, when I was looking for sneakers, I wanted something that was like simple, because I'm a simple gal, and for me simple shoes go a long way. As long as it's white, when it's white sneakers, I'm good. So my next sneak, because they look like sneakers, are the Nikes utility, urban utility footwear. Well, it says urban utility footwear. On the page it says Nike SF Air Force 1. I don't know like shoes like that, but I like them. You know, I need to get myself right here for shoes. Il faut que je commence à lire. But it's the urban utility footwear. I got this in a size 4. I believe a size 4 in the youth size. One thing I do like about the shoes is I can't wear them in a size 7.5. Normally when I shop in the boy sections, size 7.5 is for young teenage boys. Or the young, I don't know, they're just young boy size. But I wear a 7.5 for female, so 7.5 for boys is 7.5. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I just don't. But all I know is I wear kid size, and these shoes in a 7.5 were too big for me, so I had to go down to like a 4.5. And they don't look like they're 4.5 either, because they're just too big of a shoe. So you can't really tell how small these shoes are, because you wouldn't believe me if I told you this was like a 4. No, this is a 5. Yeah, I think these are 5. I went down a size 5.5. So you can't really tell these are 5.5. Like, that's the crazy part. You can't tell these are 5.5. But they are 5.5, and they're still big. Like, I should have went down to like a 4 or something, but they're so big. This retail for about $159. $159.59. I got this got this during Black Friday at the Nike outlet for half off. I can't remember exactly the price, but I know it was half off, and it wasn't no $159.95. I'll tell you that. Especially in the kid size. Kid size are cheaper than you know, adults. So I'm thankful for that. One thing I do appreciate about these shoes is it comes with a little strap that I wear. I put on the actual back of the shoes. I know I am very grateful for this. And I haven't untied the shoelace at all when I wear them because, bam! The back of the shoe has zippers where you can just like zip it up, and then you get this. You adjust the tightness of it, and then you up to go. Like you can't leave. I bought these shoes last year or 2 years ago, and I've never touched this part of the shoe. Like it's been like that since the first day I bought it. Like I haven't like tied it, untied it, nothing. Like the lace has been like this since the first day I bought them, and I love them. I wanted them to be in different colors, so I got the navy blue. I think it's just navy blue. Like it reminds me of Duke colors. I don't like high tops. You could wear this with just about anything. You can dress them down, dress them up. I like wearing these with sweatpants. I'm not a big fan of skinny jeans with forces. I find them to be very weird because I have thighs. So for me, skinny jeans with forces, it's got to be like baggy jeans. It can't be fitted jeans. So for me, I wear this. I only wear this with sweatpants. I don't think I've wore these with anything else but sweatpants. But these shoes are very comfortable. I like how comfortable they feel. I love the adjustable stripe in the back, so I don't really play with the laces at all. And the zipper part, I am going to say one thing about these shoes is you got to be careful, because when you do zip it in the back, you got to be careful that it doesn't zip the actual cloth right here. I don't know what you call this thing, but just make sure you don't zip that, because that's what happened here. Now I can't really zip this part down. But yeah, c'est vraiment confortable. J'aime ça. J'aime les couleurs. Je peux porter ça avec n'importe quoi. Mais je porte ça vraiment avec mes jogging. So yeah, Nike SF Air Force One Mid Urban Utility Footwear. Yeah, they look like this. They're cute, aren't they? They're very, very cute, aren't they? Okay, next shoe. So last but not least, I told myself that I was going to get my shoe game up. So I've been working on it, bro. Like, I've been working on it. It's been, like, something that I've been, like, focusing on. Because I have a lot of heels, but I don't have a lot of sneakers. So it's, like, that focus of mine to get that side of my closet up. Y'all know me. Y'all know my swag. Y'all know my Anyway, last but not least are the Nike Cortez. Let me tell you guys about this pair right here. I'm surprised that I bought me a Nike Cortez, because I was one of those people that was anti-Nike Cortez. Like I didn't like him. I didn't like how it looked. Like I didn't like them. Like it was just like one of those shoes that's like, if you look at the front, it makes you not want to wear the shoes. Just the look of them. Like the front of it was something that I wasn't like interested. Like I liked the back. The back was nice, but the front was just ugly. And then I started seeing them everywhere. Like I'll see them like on TV shows, and then I'll see them on like lookbooks, and it kind of grew. It grew in me, like it grew on me or something like that. However, where you say that word, but I was really like skeptical when I bought them because I was so anti Nike Cortez. But when I bought these, that was the day I was like, bro, like they're not bad. Like they go with just about anything in my closet. If you've seen me on Instagram, you know that I wore this shoe. Like, I overwore the shoe. Like, I even got the creasing going. Like, I got the scratch going. Like, I overwore these shoes. And I think I might get another pair, just a different color. One thing I really like about these shoes is, they're the Cortez 72. I think that's what they're called. Cortez 72. I like how 90s they make my looks look. Maybe before the 90s, I don't know, but the history behind it is it gives me that nice hip hop feeling to all my clothes, the 90s feelings. You seen The Breakfast? Is it The Breakfast Club, the movie? Or is it The Breakfast something, the movie? Yeah. When I wear this, I think about like the old 90s movies. I don't know, it gives me a good vibe. I could wear this down, I could wear this up. Speaking of dressing these up and dressing these down, I think I might make a video on this, on how I wear these shoes with just like different looks. So watch out for that. I don't know what video is going to come up first. The ups, the down, we don't know. But just watch out for that. I like these shoes. They're very nice. I like the how well you can like dress them. Like they just look nice. Like the color itself, like the white. I was going to get the black with the white Nike sign, and then I realized like white goes with just about anything. I mean, black does too, but white itself is just a banger. Like, was good. Feel me? So, yeah, they're getting a little dirty, but the shoes itself, very comfortable. They retail for a good $60. I got these on Black Friday for half off. I can't remember exactly how much, but I did get them on Black Friday for half off. This is 7 in youth. 7 is still a little bit big for me, but it's not as big as, you know, most shoes usually fit me in 7. So yeah, I like them. I like the size. I like the fitting. It's very comfortable. I don't know what these little lines do, if you guys can see the little zigzag line do, but I do like the entire look to them. So yeah, Nike Cortez. I'm surprised I'm into the Cortez. I don't know, I'm into the vibe, like I'm into the trend. So what can I say? What can I say? I don't know what to say. So that concludes the rest of my sneakers rotation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be coming on here doing a whole lot of rotation when it comes to shoes, summer shoes, boots, whatever it may be. Your girl got you. You feel me? Yeah. Sorry. I'm just trying to get my shoe game up. You feel me? Like I just need that side of the closet too. I need to get those. Oh my god, just that side of the closet to look good. So yeah, with that being said, I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy making it. I know I didn't speak French. Pardonnez-moi si j'ai pas vraiment parlé le français. C'est que vous êtes en train d'attendre. Mais tous les chaussures que j'ai montré, tout le basket, je vais écrire ça en bas. In the description box, just so you guys can also check them out for yourself. I'm gonna leave the link to all the shoes down below. I'm out of here. I hope you guys have a good day. God bless. If you're watching this, have a good night. Sleep tight. And don't forget to pray. Bye, guys.